Google itself has revealed 6 ways for creators to use VEO 3.1 for free, with no limits, and create high-quality videos like these without spending a single penny. The problem is, most of you don't even know about them. And today, in this video, I'm going to show you all of those methods. One of these methods is so powerful that it lets you use VEO 3.1 along with Seedance 2, Kling 3, Grok 3, Sora 2, and several other major video generators completely free and completely legally. After watching this video all the way through, you won't need to watch any other video on this topic because all the best methods are going to be right here in this video. So first of all, if you've been watching this channel from the beginning, please slide the comments aside and give this video some hype. It's free for you, but it gives us a huge boost of motivation. Now, the first way to use VEO 3.1 for free is actually my personal favorite, and it's the one I use myself. Open a new tab in Chrome and search for Opal by Google. Click on the first website. Or if you prefer, you'll find the official links for all these platforms on my Telegram channel, so you can access them directly from there. Once you're on the website, click on Try Opal Now. Then click on Try Opal. All the Gmail accounts available on your device will appear here. Select any Gmail account and continue. Click on Continue. Since this is a Google website, you'll need to grant a few permissions before you can generate videos here. So click here, then click Continue at the bottom. After that, this pop-up will appear. You don't need to do anything here. Just wait for a moment. You'll be taken directly to the main homepage of the website. You'll see a welcome pop-up, so click Continue. If you scroll down, you'll notice that a lot of people have already built and launched their own tools here. You can try those as well. But for now, we want to generate videos. So scroll back to the top and click on Create New. This is the page where you'll be creating your videos. Make sure you watch and follow every step very carefully from here on. First, we'll generate a video from text, because that's the first step. For that, click on Generate. Now, a small Generate panel will open at the bottom, and you'll also notice a small tab opening on the side. To generate a video, click on the Generate panel. In the Side tab, click on Agent at the top and select VEO from the options below. Then click on Advanced Settings. You'll notice that VEO 3 is selected by default. But we want VEO 3.1, so click on it and select VEO 3.1 instead. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio. Whether you want a horizontal or vertical video, you can select it from here. Now paste the prompt for the video you want to create. After that, click on Preview. You'll now see a Start button. Click on it, and your video will begin generating. In just 1 to 1.5 minutes, your video will be ready. If you want to download it, click on Apps at the top. Then click the 3 dots on the video and select Download. Now let's see how our video turned out. The video looks really impressive, and there's no watermark or unwanted objects anywhere in it. You can also generate videos from images on this platform. But what if you want to generate another text-to-video project? Here's what you need to do. First, click on Step. You'll find your previous prompt here. Delete it and paste your new video prompt. Now, as soon as you click on Preview, you'll notice that the video we generated earlier is still showing here, and there's no Start button available. To bring back the Start button, click on Refresh at the top. As soon as you do that, the process will reset. Then, within about 1 to 1.5 minutes, your second video will be ready. You can download it the same way as before. Just click on Apps, then the 3 dots, and finally download.
Good evening! The flowers look lovely today.
Thank you! Enjoy the rest of your route.
Now, if you want to create image-to-video content using this same website, here's what you need to do. First, click on the User Input tab. Now, a User Input panel will open in front of you, along with a Generate panel. Adjust both panels like this so they're easy to work with. After that, connect the User Input panel to the Generate panel. Next, click on Advanced Settings. Since we want to generate a video from an image, select Image here. Now go back to the Generate panel. Delete the prompt that's already pasted there, and enter a new prompt for the image-to-video generation. I'll show you where to upload the image in a moment, but before that, make sure to check all the settings below and confirm they match the type of video you want to create. Once everything looks good, click on Preview. Then take a quick look at the 2 panels on the side as well. Sometimes the connection between them gets disconnected after this step, so if that happens, just reconnect them the same way as before. At this point, you'll still see the previous video here. To remove it, click on Refresh at the top. Now the Start button will appear. Click on it and you'll see a plus icon. Click the plus icon and upload the image you want to convert into a video. Then click Generate. Your video will start generating, and once it's ready, you can download it using the same method we used earlier. Now let's see how this website handled the image-to-video conversion. But what if you want to animate another image on the same platform? Let's take a look. First, click on Editor at the top, then go to the Generate panel and click on Step. You'll see the previous prompt here. Delete it and paste your new prompt. After checking all the settings carefully, click on Preview. Then make sure both panels are still connected properly. Next, click Refresh to remove the old video. Now click on the plus icon and upload your new image. Then click Generate. Your second image will also be converted into a video. On this platform, you can generate around 8 to 10 videos per day with a single account. If you want to create even more videos, you can simply use your other Google accounts as well. Now, the second method I'm about to show you generates videos much faster than any VEO 3.1 platform we've covered so far. For that, open Chrome and search for Google Vids. Then click on the first website. Now, here as well, we'll need to create an account using our Gmail. For that, click on Sign in to Vids. All the Gmail accounts available on your device will appear here. Select any account and continue. After that, you'll land on the home page of the website. You can select VEO 3.1 from here if you want, but we'll remove it for now. If you look at the sidebar, you'll notice that along with video generation, you also get text generation, voice generation, image generation, and several other features that you can use. But for now, we're focused on creating videos. So select VEO from the top, paste your video prompt here, then click on Generate. Your video will start generating immediately, and in just 30 to 40 seconds, a high-quality video will be ready. If you click on it, the video will open in a larger panel on the side. Now, there are two ways to download this video. The first method is to click on Files at the top, then click on Downloads. You'll see a Download MP4 option here. Click on it, and the video will be downloaded. But there's one problem. When you play that file, you'll only see a white screen, and the video length will be around 5 seconds. Other than that, there won't be anything in it. So let's use the second method instead. Click and hold on the video. A download option will appear. Download it from there. The video downloaded using this method will be a normal video file that you can use anywhere. Now let's see how you can generate a video from an image. First, make sure VEO 3.1 is selected at the top. Then click here and choose Animate an Image. Paste the prompt you want to use for animating your image. After that, click here and upload your image. Then click Generate. Your image to video generation will start immediately. And within just a few seconds, your image will be transformed into a great-looking video. You can download it the same way by clicking and holding on the video, then selecting Download. Now let's see how the final video turned out. This video also looks really impressive. So if both of these methods made sense to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, because you won't find videos like this anywhere else. I'll keep bringing more videos like these in the future. And yes, it may be free for you, but for me, your support means a lot. So a subscribe definitely feels earned at this point. Please do hit that button. And yes, you can use multiple Gmail accounts here as well if you want to generate even more videos. Now, the next method we're going to look at is actually the oldest way of using VEO 3.1, and a lot of people still use it today. For that, open Chrome and search for Flow. Then click on this website. And if you're having trouble finding any of these websites, you already know where to find all the links. Now click on Continue with Flow. All the Gmail accounts available on your device will appear here. Select any Gmail account and continue. Then click on New Project. This homepage will open in front of you. Now to generate a video from text, click here. Since we want to create a video, select Video, not Image. Set this to 1, and then choose the video length you want from here. After that, paste the prompt for the video you want to generate. Then press Enter. Your video will start generating right away. This platform is also pretty fast. Sometimes you may see an error like this, but there's nothing to worry about. Within about 1 to 1.5 minutes, your video will usually be ready. To download it, click on the video, then click the download option at the top. Your video will be saved to your gallery. Now let's see how you can generate a video from an image. Click on the plus icon and then select Upload Media. Choose the image you want to upload. Next, paste the prompt you want to use for animating that image. Then click Generate. Your image to video generation will begin. In just a short while, your video will be ready, and you can download it using the same method we used earlier. You can use multiple Gmail accounts on this platform too. But the next method we're about to look at is even more interesting. With it, you can get access to a Google Flow Ultra account and generate videos for free through a completely legal method. And the best part? You won't need multiple Gmail accounts for that. For this method, open a new tab in Chrome and search for Tool Wallet in. But before opening it, make sure you connect to an Indian VPN first, because that's the only way this website will work properly on your device. Click on the first website, then choose a username, enter your Gmail address, and type the same password into both fields. After that, click on Create Tool Wallet Account. Once that's done, log in using the same Gmail and password you just used. A small pop-up will appear. Click here to close it. After that, you'll land on this page. Now click on Access Grok Free Now. Wait a few seconds and this option will appear. Click on it. After that, you'll see Google Flow along with an option to access it. Click here. Now we need to download an extension. You can download it by clicking here. Next, click on Downloads at the top. Then click on the extension file we just downloaded. Your Files window will open. Go to Downloads. You'll see a Tool Wallet folder here. Right-click on it and select Extract All from the menu. Then click Extract. Now go back to Downloads again. You'll notice a second Tool Wallet folder has appeared. Once that's done, go back to the Tool Wallet website. Click on the 3 dots in the top corner. You'll see an Extensions option. Click on it, then click on Manage Extension. As soon as you get here, the first thing you need to do is turn on Developer Mode. You won't be able to continue without it. Now click here, then go to the Downloads folder. Select the file we extracted earlier and add it here. We will go back to the Tool Wallet website. You'll notice that earlier there was a download option, but now it has changed to active. Now pay close attention to what comes next. You'll see 3 servers here, 1, 2, and 3. We need to check which one is working for us. First, click on server 1. After a few moments, we're redirected back to the home page. That means the first server isn't working for us. Now let's click on server 2. As you can see, the second server is working perfectly. We've successfully reached the official Google Flow website. And if you look at the top, you'll notice that the Ultra account is already active. At this point, you already know what to do next. I explained the exact process in the previous VEO 3.1 method. Just follow the same steps and you'll be able to generate videos from here as well. Now let's go back and try server 3. As you can see, the third server is also working perfectly. So in our case, server 1 isn't working, but servers 2 and 3 are working just fine. And that's where you can generate your videos. You already know the process, so I won't repeat it again. Now the next method I'm about to show you lets you use not just VEO 3.1, but several other powerful tools as well for generating videos. But before we get into that, if you haven't hyped this video yet, go ahead and do it now. That one little hype gives us the motivation to keep making videos like these. For this method, open Chrome and search for Gemini Gen AI. Click on the first website that appears. To generate videos here, you'll need to create an account as well. So click on Sign Up at the top. A page like this will open. Click Continue with Google and sign up using any Gmail account you want. Once you're signed in, you'll notice that a few video generator tools are already selected by default on the side. But if you want to see exactly which video generation tools are available here, click on Status at the top. A list will appear. Any tool highlighted in green can be used for free on this platform. And since this is Gemini's own website, there's absolutely nothing to worry about. Now to go back, click on Studio. Let's see how you can generate videos from here. By default, Grok AI will already be selected. We'll switch it to VEO 3.1. Now paste the prompt for the video you want to generate. From here, you can choose either a horizontal or vertical aspect ratio. You can also select your preferred video length. And the best part is we're generating this video with 0 credits. It even says so right here. As soon as you click generate, your video will start rendering. Just like Flow, this platform also generates videos fairly quickly. Sometimes you may see an error like this, but again, there's nothing to worry about. Within a short time, your video will be ready, and you can download it directly from here. If you run into any issues while downloading, simply click on History. You'll find your generated video there as well, and you can download it from that section. Now you can't generate image to video content here, and let me show you exactly why. First, we'll keep the same model selected. Then we'll click here and upload an image. We won't change the prompt. After checking the rest of the settings, click Generate. A few moments later, you'll see a message like this. It basically says that you need to purchase the premium plan. You can see the same thing written here as well. So image to video isn't available for free on this platform, but text to video is, and you can generate as many text to video projects as you want. Now, if you've noticed, some of these methods occasionally add unwanted objects to your videos. I'll show you how to remove those as well. But before that, let's look at the final method. This one lets you download videos in 4K quality at 60 FPS. For that, download this application from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open it and click on Create Project. From here, you can generate both videos and images. But since we want a video, click on Generate Video. Now paste the prompt for the type of video you want to create. Keep in mind that you can't paste a prompt longer than 900 characters here. So we'll remove the extra lines. Then click Generate. You'll notice a timer displayed below. During that time window, you can generate unlimited videos. Now, if you want to generate a video from an image, the process is slightly different. First, click here and upload your image. You can even upload a second image as the final frame of the video if you want. Then paste your prompt and click Generate. Within a short time, your video will be ready. To download it, click on Use Video at the bottom, then click here. From this screen, you can adjust all these settings and export the video in 4K quality. Now let's see how our video turned out. have noticed that the video contains an unwanted object, so let's remove it. First, download this app from the Play Store. Open it and click on Select Video. Choose your video. Then use this black box tool to select the unwanted object, just like this. After that, click Save at the top. Select 1080p. Then click the checkmark icon. Your video will be saved to the gallery without the unwanted object. So those were the 6 methods you can use to access VEO 3.1 completely legally. And if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it now. Also, don't forget to give this video some hype. It really helps. Drop a like and leave a comment telling me where you're from and where you're watching from. And if you want to learn how to create long-form videos with VEO 3.1 while keeping multiple characters perfectly consistent from beginning to end, then you should definitely watch this video next, because that video was made specifically for you. So go check it out.